Well, hello, it's Ellie again. I have friends who just ran away. Michaela! I'm making a video. I guess we don't know what we're gonna talk about. And my dog is sniffing me. This is him right here. This is his nose. His name is Gunner. He's very cute. Come here, come here. Come here, come here, come here. No, get the cat, no! He's cute, isn't he? I think he's cute. And stuff. And I really don't know what we're gonna up to. They'll be back, I think. Maybe. Maybe. We're watching movies. Like, we have on Monster House right now, although the sound's down all the way. And we watched, what was it called? Oh, To Wong Fu Thanks Julie Newmar? I think that's the title. I can't remember. But it's with Patrick Swayze in drag. Yeah. I don't know where Michaela went. Where'd Michaela go? There she is. I found her. Gunner made it in the video.
What?
Gunner made it in the video. His nose and then his face. Yes. Because he's cute and stuff. And yeah. I don't know what to talk about. What should I talk about? Making faces again. I talked about our videos that we watched. The movies.
Oh yeah.
We want to watch Spork. My boyfriend's downloading it on his computer right now and he's gonna send it to me. Woohoo! So we can watch it. Because he's great. And stuff. And yeah. Come on! Don't be shy! Come talk to the computer. I really don't have that many viewers. They're not gonna know who you are. They don't know who I am. You guys don't even know my real name.
Oh, majority of them
Yeah, the majority of you guys don't.
don't.
My friends and my boyfriend who watch these videos know my name. And stuff. Yeah. Come sit down and talk to me. Look, I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna get you, Oh, you scared him.
I almost just ate your hair.
There we go. Oh, no more
I can't stand anymore.
Ah, see, there they are. Say hi and talk and stuff. They're not gonna talk. Nope.
I don't talk anyway. You expect me to talk.
Well, you're talking to an object. It's okay. It's okay. Just insulted her grandmother.
I insult my grandmother. Because my grandma is a ghost and she scares us and it's scary. She really does.
Okay.
She moves the things around.
Oh, cute doggy. Made another video again.
When is the YouTube start, huh?
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm being weird. I got the dog here, right there. He's just a ladies' man. This one right here is. He knows he's cute. Darn dog. You're not supposed to know you're cute. He knows that he can get whatever he wants whenever he wants it, too. If he just puts on his cute face. Because he's cute. And she's running away! I got her. Why don't you guys want to be on camera?
Weird.
No, it's not. It's fun. You know it's fun. That's Squidward.
Her nails are cute.
Oh, mine, they're fake. They're not real. My nails don't get that long. It's bad. They break. It's just like, oh, I can have really cute nails. Wait, nope, never mind, because they fall apart. Lovely. They get to about like that long before they start breaking, and yes, that is my middle finger. like cool.
Yeah, badass.
That means cactus, I think, in sign language. Cactus. Weird. I know a lot of stuff in sign language. I guess. Maybe. A little bit. I'm just trying to learn it again.
You're in a camera.
I am Ninja.
that
You
we
cannot
can
be
see
sneaky to me.
there.
Oh, folks. Hey! I just had a viewer who asked to see my feet.
Pretty creepy.
Yes, it was really creepy. I don't know who you are, but I don't want to show you my feet just because I know it's like a fetishy thing for you, because all of your videos on your channel that you've liked are all people showing their feet. That's really creepy.
That is
Really creepy. Like, oh, what are you gonna do to me? Are you gonna like rape me with your eyes in your mind? It's not okay. Not okay. I don't want you to mind rape me because I showed you my feet. Don't rape my toes. No. I'm ticklish on my feet. Don't touch them.
Don't touch my feet or I'll kick you, because that's just what happens.
What?
I think I've touched your feet.
What?
You have?
Tell me you love.
I don't know.
My dog likes to talk. Okay? Let's see if we can get it. Tell me you love me. Come here. Tell me you love me. Come on. Tell me you love me. Did you hear it? Do it again. Tell me you love me. Tell me a story. Tell me a longer story than that. I want to... He's following the computer because he wants love now. Tell me a story. Tell me a better story. I want to hear a better story. He's like, I'm getting lost now. Tell me a story. Tell me a story. And then what happened?
Nothing. Exactly.
Yeah. He's a great storyteller. They're short and sweet. Except for when it's about his sister, who's mean, huh? He just bark, 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 bark. Yeah? That's you, huh? That's you. Boop. I got your nose. I'm gonna do it again. Ah. Okay, I'm gonna quit being a dork. So, bye-bye.